Okay, this is a question that a student sent in, and I did outline a step-by-step in an email, but it was before I knew how to do videos, so I'm going to do a video on this one. Okay, the two answers, these are easy. 1936 mean goes here, 571 goes here, and this is a population mean. Okay, so we'll start with this one. Find the probability that a randomly selected district has fewer than 1934 votes for Clinton. And we're going to use Excel. I already put those numbers in there to save time. And to find a probability given an X value for less than, we go to more functions, statistical. We're going to use the norm distribution function right here, norm distribution. Okay. It's going to ask you for, we'll just click once, I clicked twice. It's going to ask you for the X value. And we said it was less than 1934, so 1934 would be the X value. Okay, the mean, which is always going to be 1936 in this problem. Standard deviation, which is always going to be 571 in this problem. Always put 1 for the cumulative. And there's your answer. You hit OK, there's your answer. You round that to the nearest 4 places, and there's your answer, 0.4986. Between 2001 and 2127, you do the same exact thing I just did for 2001 and 2127, and then you subtract the two probabilities from each other. So again, use statistical norm distribution again. What was that? Let's see, I have a short memory. 2001, 2001, mean, 1936, standard deviation, 571, always 1 here. Okay, there's one answer. Then I have to do the same thing for 21, 27. So more functions, statistical, norm distribution again, and 21, 27, mean, same thing, standard deviation, same thing, cumulative, always 1, okay, and then you take 0.6310, so 0.63, so just take, actually do this, minus this, and there's your answer, 0.0587 when you round. 0.0587, see right there, 0.0587. What did I do there? If you want, you can just punch that in your calculator if you want. You round these to 4 places and then subtract. But in Excel, anytime you want to do an arithmetic function, you hit the equal sign, and then you just say, I want to take this cell, which is C10, that's C10, minus this, and you get that, and that's your answer. And then for the first quartile now, or the third quartile, okay, so that we're going to use 0.75. This is a different function because they're giving us the probability. We need to find the X. They're giving us the probability. We need to find the X. So that's a different key that we're going to use. We're going to use norm inverse on this one. Norm inverse, okay? So norm inverse. So the probability is 0.75. That's the third quartile. And again, the mean, 1936. Standard deviation, 571. And you round that to whatever they tell you to, 2321. Round to the nearest whole number, 2321. And that's how you do this problem. Hope that helps.